Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your door strike on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. First, what we'll need to do is open the door. Now we have access to the strike portion here. Now what happens is this strike goes inside of a latch on the other portion in order to keep the door closed. Sometimes you'll find where this is actually broken off, or because it's been open and closed so many times, the top and the bottom may be shaved off a little bit, causing the door to not stay shut. Now in order to replace this thing, if it is broken, it's held on by 2 Phillips screws. Make sure you hold on to it when you're removing the other one. Pull out the screw, pull out your strike, and set it to the side. When installing your new strike, first we will line it up and install the first screw. We're not going to tighten it all the way so that we can line up the bottom without stripping anything out. Tighten it up. Make sure the door will close and open properly. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.